In this video I'm going to show you how a motor turns and what's inside of it. These are two permanent magnets, and in the middle there is a series of coils that connect to this copper plate called a commutator. The commutator sends electricity into one of these coils, and it makes one of these magnetic, and then one of these magnets attract, and one of them repels and one attracts, and then it does a half turn, and then another one of these gets magnetized, and then it does another half turn, and then it turns. And that's how this is the principle of a DC motor and how it turns. This is how it works. Okay, I've made this stand for this rotor and stator out of Legos. Can you comment what any other ideas you have to make this more stable? Thank you for your watching and support. Until next video, goodbye.